Hello friends, my name is Kaustubh Ramesh Patil. Today we are speaking about drug safety. Introduction of drug safety. Drug safety, it is the healthcare in industries. It is essential or ensure that the medications provides the therapeutic benefits therapeutic benefits causing 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 unused harmful effects to the patient. Drug safety involves systematic approaches to the evaluate the manage risk associated with the drug use and it for the well-being of the individuals and the overall public health. One the key aspects of the drug safety is first one is pre-marketing. Pre-marketing means evaluation before the drug is approval for the public use. If the undergoes the testing in the clinical trials to assess the safety of the deficiency. These trials are designed to identify the patient side effects and the interaction to may occur when the drug is taken by the patient. Second one is post marketing surveillance means the another essential components of drug safety after the drug is one is on marketing. Monitoring the necessary to track any adverse effect these may arises these may arises these may arises. This phase is known as pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance means involve the collecting the analyzing data on the adverse effect effect report by the healthcare profession. Patients risk management is also aspect. The drug safety must be developed to improve the risk associated with the drug use. Includes the label warming, use conditions and the specific monitoring requirement for the patients. Regulatory oversight plays a significant role in the ensuring the drug safety. Agencies such as FAD uh, means USA regulatory authorities and EMA means Europe authorities oversees the drug safety stands set guidance for the drug approval and the required reporting for adverse effect. So the patient, the patient education is is in the ensuring the drug safety. Educating the patients about the proper drug use, the potent side effects and the interaction can help them making the information dictation and the report adverse effect promptly. The inclusion of effective drug safety practices that protects the patients to enhance that the medications are the used and the effective may be following evaluation processes, monitoring adverse effect, risk management storage and the educating the patients. We can collective the work safety healthcare environment for all the use.